Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. I'm here with my good friend Nick. He's filming us. If I'm not available to answer any of your questions, he will be. We actually just took in this awesome trade. In fact, Nick had some customers trade this in. It's a beautiful 2021 Phoenix Cruiser. It's the 1652 model built on the Ford Transit. I know you guys love the Ford Transit because it's gas, it's easy to get serviced, it's less expensive to service, all those great things. And it's just a great drive. So for those of you who know Ford, it's comfortable, it's quiet, it has a low center of gravity, so it doesn't have as much of that body roll to it. Beautiful full body paint. If you're familiar with Phoenix Cruiser, you know the quality is really second to none in the industry when you're looking at these smaller B+ models. Beautiful fiberglass molding, some nice storage compartments outside. Follow me inside. It's got the keyless touch entry here. Nice electric step coming inside. It's easy to step into because it's not real big steps. Solid surface countertops, big Corian extension there. Nice big dry bathroom in the rear. Convection microwave. Big fridge and freezer. Come on in, Nick. And then this is one of those cool floor plans where you make your dinette down to a bed or your couch, and then you can make it into kind of one big sleeping area. But you have that opposing feel. So somebody wants to hang out over here, read a book. Somebody sits over here, works on their laptop, have a meal, whatever. You got a nice front entertainment system, surround sound stereo. But yeah, it's a great small model, easy to park, easy to drive, good fuel economy. We'd love to show it to you wherever you're coming from. My name is Ben here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Nick behind the camera. We look forward to seeing you soon and help you go camping.